To help your boys' trousers last that bit longer, or if they are on the skinny side for their height, you can use the elastic waist adjusters to create a smaller waist size. Each trouser has enough elastic to reduce the waist size by 2 to 4 inches, or 5 to 10 centimeters. Found on the internal waistband, gently pull the elastic through the trouser on one side. There are various buttonholes you can find along the elastic. Use the appropriate one to fasten over the button provided. It is advisable to tighten equally on both sides of the waist so that the back of the trouser hangs properly. Remember, you can let them out too as your child grows.